Not much of an update. Trying to get my oils and everything together. Trying to take pictures of them properly. Professional pictures. For whatever reason, it's just not going my way. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to figure out the right ISO to put them in, and then it's too light, it's too dark. I'm trying to find that mid-range choose because so many. I'm not really trying to go through each ISO setting and everything like that. So I'm about to go to YouTube University, figure that out. I would like to have some type of platform to put them on, but I don't have that, so I'm gonna have to work with what I got. Make do. I'm not sure. I feel like I don't know if I put them on camera. Have I showed y'all what I have? If not, check this out. I got the charcoal mask with the CBD. Charcoal mask. The night cream, CBD, the facial moisturizer, CBD as well, oil cleanser with CBD as well, restore cream, this isn't CBD, CC serum, the hair serum. Tea face mist. The face moisturizer. Facial scrub. The beard oil. Nightwear cream, last but not least. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Something slight. That's what I'm working with. You know what I mean? I am GodFlow. GodFlow all day. Shop GodFlow. Coming soon. Just got the website domain, so I feel good about that. I wanted to get GodFlow.com, but I couldn't. So yeah, shop GodFlow, which is fine because everything on there you can purchase. You dig? You want it? You want your products? You want your face to look good? You want your skin to feel good? You want your beard to grow thick? You want a hair serum? I don't even know what that does, but it's for your hair, and it's gonna do you good. Because it's GodFlow products, you dig? And we only got the best, you know what I'm saying? G-O-D, greatness on demand. Come holla at us, shop at us, with us. Shop at us, shop with us. You dig? I am GodFlow.
I be counting cheese in the kitchen when I finish and I breeze to the whip and then I push start, no key in the ignition, just hit the pedal, then I leave on the mission. I be counting cheese in the kitchen when I then I finish, I'ma breeze to the whip and then I push start, no key in the ignition, just hit the pedal, then I leave on the mission. You can't even